Ladies and gentlemen, this is Randy Elliott with Quality Wheels. I've got a pretty cool little offer here. We are going to take this little motorhome to the next level, but we don't have the time to do it right now. So if somebody wants to buy this thing as is, it'd be a nice little ROI, return on investment. This is a 2016 Forest River Sunseeker. It's the 2860DS model. That's the floor plan. So we got two slides on the other side. Got an outdoor kitchen. LED lights up there, see that? Outdoor speakers, electric awning. This motorhome has really good bones. Now, there's a few things, we haven't even taken the license plate off this thing yet. There's a few things, though, that this motorhome needs. What's cool about this motorhome, which is the reason why we decided to invest in it, is it is solid. When I say solid, we have punched this thing all over the place and cannot find any delamination. It's got a mirror, it's been hit right here. This thing's a little wobbly too. But yeah. This thing's got good bones. So my point is, we can sell this thing at a discount, a sizable discount, and the banks will still loan on it. I think it's only got like 20,000 miles on it. I'll confirm that. It's gonna have the Triton Ford V10 in it. Get you moving right on down the road. And these are really popular motorhomes. Now, it's been roughly taken care of on the inside is the reason why we're talking about a discount. Now, first thing I noticed, this floor right here is not spongy, but it's springy. What that tells me is the plywood has started delaminating, so that needs to be replaced. I mean, it's solid, you're not falling through it or anything, but I would go ahead and put new flooring in it and replace it, especially since this interior needs to be replaced also. Yep, these are one of the couches that sheds like a snake. They had the problem, I think, from 2010 to 2018. We can reupholster this and match it to a set of recliners over here. It's got the big, huge bed up front. Now, I think probably condensation. It definitely has had some moisture over here on this window. Again, though, I can't find any delamination. All the walls are solid on the inside. We've got microwave, vent hood, propane, cook stove, propane refrigerator, electric awning. It's had the air conditioner on the roof replaced over the past year. Pretty good sized shower. And slides back. Queen size bed. This is our second slide back here. This is where the outside kitchen is right here. And we got a pretty good sized wardrobe, inside TV, got chest of drawers, got another wardrobe right here. And now this is a spongy spot. I noticed it's not springy, it's spongy, which tells me it's had moisture back here. So I would pull all this linoleum up, check the floor with a fine-tooth comb and replace any wood with plywood, make it solid, put luxury vinyl tile down here, fix the flooring, and we will sell this motorhome for right around $60,000. So at $34,900, we are willing to sell this motorhome for $34,900. That means with approved credit, going to require about a 720 credit score or higher. That means for $3,500 down, a person could have this motorhome on a 15-year term at right around $310 a month. But what's really cool about it, you could spend $5,000, you could spend $10,000 on this, make it your own, make it exactly the way you want it, drive it for a few years. If you still like it, keep it. If you don't, turn it and you can make some money off this motorhome. Now, if you don't, I will. So This is just an opportunity. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, because as soon as we get caught up to where we can redo this motorhome, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing with this motorhome. Pretty good sized bathroom right here. Pedestal toilet. Does not have a fantastic fan. All the lights are LED though. There's so many things you could do with this motorhome though. We got a TV up here, by the way, along with the outside TV. Storage. We got day and night shades here. A little more storage. Anyways, just want to make a quick video of this thing. If anybody wants it, let me know. Call Randy Elliott at Quality Wheels, 501-276-5500. Call or text anytime. Or you can go to qualitywheels.com. Check out some more pictures and photos if you have any questions on this motorhome. I feel confident that we will have enough information on there to answer them. And again, call or text anytime. We'll be happy to get you on the road. We will look forward to seeing the white of your eyes and turning you into a happy camper. QualityWheels.com.